I can't stay.
Hello mga gwapo-gwapa, welcome to my channel. Today I will share to you on how to change your YouTube video category using Android phone. First, you need to download YouTube Studio or Creator Studio. This one, you need to download it. Then, tap the application. Then I think you need to sign in using your YouTube account kung bago ka pa lang. Then, as you can see, makikita mo po lahat ng YouTube videos. Yan, lahat. Dashboard. Analytics at iba pa. So, just choose any video na gusto mong palitaan ang category. So, I will choose this one. Yan. Then, tap the button, this one, yung parang pencil. Then, tap the advanced settings. Then, makikita mo yung category dito. Yan. Then, choose any category na babagay sa video mo. Sa akin, I will choose the entertainment. Oops. Then, save. Ganun lang kadali yun. Yan, check natin sa YouTube ko. And we'll check it. Oops. Yan. Dati, it was a people and vlogs. Tapos ngayon, entertainment. So, ganun lang yung kadali, guys. Salamat po.